Alright, I'm gonna do a shooting video with my Invert Mini Ninja air tank. I have just a little gravity hopper, so I'm gonna do a little bit of shake and shoot. Alright, here we go, take two. Got neighbors last time.